So good morning student. In today's session, we'll be discussing about your practicals of your data structure. First year computer science data structure. So we'll be performing approximately 10 to 12 practicals, so which will have one or two practicals each. So that will start with your linear search, moving on with your binary search, then moving ahead with your bubble sorting algorithm and other algorithms. We'll be using Python for performing these practicals. So on my current machine, I have installed Python 3.7 and 3.8. Both is installed. Both are installed basically. You can just see. So I am currently using Python ideally 64-bit. I can use 32-bit also. Or that app that is installed, but it is uh, recommended that you have to use ideally Python ideally. So this is interface of your Python ideally. I hope my screen is clearly visible. You can just raise your hand for nodding yes in hello. Screen is visible properly. Okay, no issue. So let's get started with this practicals. So first practical is about linear search. So linear search, for linear search, what is linear search basically? What is linear search? Hello. What is linear search basically? I hope it is visible. So linear search is a kind of searching technology or algorithm by which you can search within a sorted sequence of a list. For this particular example, we'll be searching an element within a list in a proper sorted sequence. So I'm switching towards Python program. I have already typed that program for saving time. It's not, oh, okay, no issue. So I'm just reopening that file. Okay. What we are doing is with what we are doing in this particular program. So I'm just commenting this entire section. Sorry. So using hash will allow you to comment within this. No issue. I'll be retyping this very fastly. Now, what is def? You all have studied def keyword in first semester. So it is used to define. So I am just creating a program for linear search. So I'll term this as A because I have another program on linear search. So for this, I'll use def. I'm just creating a linear search function or method, passing two arguments, namely list and its value. Now, after defining this method or function, you require to give colon. So you can say that you are starting an scope of that function. So inside this, I'm inserting a for loop for I in range given by 0 comma length list, again colon, if list index, that is I, equal to that value, what it will do is it will simply return I. It will simply return I, or else it will return, sorry, return -1. So no index means -1. Now in Python, indentation error is most common errors. You can see. So I want to find the location of list 3 or 2, 4. Just passing 5 to 6 elements, no issue. So I want to store this value in a variable. You can name anything. Let's say linear search for ls. So I'll passing that linear search into bracket. I want to search within a list. So that list I have provided list comma. The index position I want to retrieve is location. So I want to search for 4, value 4. So I may pass 4. No issue with this. So I want to print that value after searching. So I'm just saying that location of number. Just pay attention what I'm doing here. So in Python, you don't need to write any semicolon for termination. It's not necessary. I'm just deleting the previous part of this program. You can get a clear idea of this. So I'm just saving this file again, calling it program 1a. Is it okay? So I'm saving this file. Just press F5. So unexpected indentation is there, no issue. So we can correct that indentation. Sorry. So I'm just saving this function. So location of number is 3. You can just see here in your program itself. 0th 1, first position 2, second position 3, and third position 4. So it will return an output like location of your number is 3. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Just raise your hand. Don't speak in between, please, since it is recorded. Okay, no issue. So moving ahead, we have another way of doing the same program. So linear search, list value, length, same, no issue. Now, what if I don't want to pass that list? See, I don't want to pass that list manually. Instead, I will ask for that elements to be inserted by your user. You're getting what I'm trying to say? Hello, all of you. What I want to do is just I'm copying this much part, no issue. You can just switch program B, no issue. So what I want is I don't want to pass that values within that program itself. Instead, user will insert that values, no issue. So num. So this is a way to take an input from your user, int into bracket input. So I want to take an input as an integer. So I'm prompt user. I may prompt the user to enter the number of elements. Just be careful while typing. Spelling mistakes can be done there. So try to avoid spelling mistakes. So is it fine if you get several errors during your compilation? No issue with that. So without error, तुम लोग का प्रोग्राम मजा नहीं आएगा. For in range, just let me complete first this practical. एक बार complete करने दो, then I'll explain. No issue. Int now. Okay, no issue. You just have to define this int now. If there is any error, uh, interpreter will prompt. चिल्लाएगा तो जरूर वो. In bracket input. You need to write int as we have already initialize that int. Just prompt user to input enter elements. Items dot append. Now, what is the difference in between this append method and insert method? Can anyone from your side? Hello. Difference between append and insert. Hello. So insert is used to insert element at a particular position. Okay. But in append will add an element to last position in your list. So let me just type that program, then I'll explain that. So I want to take an input from so enter element to be searched. Just be careful while typing. Searched. Okay, no issue. So I equal to linear search items dot int s. I equal to linear search. Just make sure that this define function and this match properly, because Python is case sensitive. Enter the elements to be searched linear search items int s. Okay. If I is -1, if I is -1, sorry, colon is missing. Print value not found. Basically, your -1 returns no value. Okay, value not. Else print value found at position and formatting is there. So else, so it will definitely given some indentation. Print, sorry, print value found at position. So you need to format that index, format into bracket I. Okay. So and at last it will ask a user for choice equal to input. यूजर को पूछेगा कि तुम लोगों को कंटिन्यू करना है या नहीं. डू यू want to continue? So its answer should be yes or no. Okay. So let's see what happens when we try to save this program. As I'm just typing this as program 1B. Okay. Let's so enter number of elements. Suppose I want to enter put 15. So lafada is there. Choice. Indentation issues. There are lots of issues with indentation. Just make sure that your indentation is proper while running this. 12 elements I'm just inserting. So I have to pass this element. Okay, no issue. Base 10. It is not accepting that. I'm just inserting 5 values, no issue. Let's say 45, 56, 45 is already there, 69, 78. So I want to search for, you say which value you want to search. Hello. Suppose we want to search for 78. The value found at position 4. You can just calculate at 0th position we have 45. Hello. Can you hear me? 156, 249, 369, and 4th 78. Is it okay? Suppose you want to continue, just press N, Y. Okay, no issue. To enter elements to be searched. I have not specified that value. That's why it is giving an error. Suppose I want to specify 56, so it will not take an, because it will generate an error. No issue. So done with program 1 and B. So both way you can perform linear search. Just have a quick look. So it is advised to perform this practical at your place without copying it blindly. So that is the reason, as you can see in my manual, it is a just pure picture or screenshot. It's not actual code. Basically what happens if you give a code to students, he or she will directly copy that code and get out. So done with this. Okay. Hello. Hello. Just raise an hand. Okay. No issue. Now moving ahead with binary search. What is a binary search? Search beginning in middle of your list. Okay, so this is your program. Just zoom in. Simple thing, nothing much there. Okay, so we'll type this program. No issue. Just coming back to your program 1A. Control N press करना. Just define binary. Sorry, search. Okay, no issue. So def binary search. So two elements again we have to pass. Just make sure. Meanwhile, what we can do is we can just simply click on this, close this program that we have previously created. It will avoid confusion. So I'll simply keep this. So binary search items and values. So we are passing two values, items, comma, value. If you have a laptop with you, you can just simply type along with me. It will feel better for you. So basically, what is the concept of binary search? As we already discussed. So value starts, LB will be 0, lower bound, the initial value. So upper bound will be length of that item, length of that items minus 1. Okay. While less LB is less than UB, what we have to do is mid equal to int. Obviously, your middle value will be calculated like lower bound plus upper bound divided by 2. Is it okay? Hello. You have to specify one more value here. Okay. Just close that. So if items mid equal to value return mid. If items equal to value colon return, sorry, return mid. Else elif we are using elif mechanism, elif value instead of else will use elif. Sorry, value equal to value is less than items, less than items, the bracket mid. Then it will return obviously ub equal to mid minus 1. Else it will return else it will return lb equal to mid plus 1. And see this indentation properly, don't commit mistake. Return 1. So this is done. You can just take items equal to list, no issue, num equal to int input. So have we defined num as integer? Yes, sir. You can just simply take input, enter value enter the number of list, okay. Print, enter the sorted list order, as you all know, this binary search will work very well on your sorted sequence, as we already discussed during lectures also. So for I in range, so what will be your range? Hello, any guesses? What will be your range? Hello, can you hear me? So it will start with 0 and int num, the number you have entered. Okay, then n equal to input into bracket. We have to just specify numbers, enter the elements. Items dot append. So the number of items you are providing, it will be appended at last. Item dot append in 10. So let me complete this program, then I'll explain. Then again, we are just using that same thing, choices and other stuff. The choices is y enter element to be search, binary search. So we'll just copy that from recent program that we have created, 1b. That much part is okay. You can copy that, no issue. So while choice is yes, y. So s will be. So we are not taking yes. Input enter the element to be search. Okay, no issue. So I will be. It will be a binary search instead of this binary search. So items into bracket int s, if L is value is not found. So it is perfectly working, no issues with this. Just check whether something is remaining or not. Sometimes, no issue. So let's get back to your program. Just saving this file as program 1c. Okay. So don't worry. I'll compile this program and zip it and mail to you. Or instead I can upload that on your classroom. So indentation does not match outer indentation left. So okay, no issue. So what we have to do is just have to do this. Okay. I'm just closing this shell, so we can just enter number of list. So 5. Enter the sorted list order. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So choice is not defined. Okay. Item line to model name choice is not defined. Okay, okay. Scale अपना अच्छा. वो एल्स पार्ट में गया है तुम लोग का. ठीक है. It should be in your while element. So I am just inserting while number of list 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still it is showing while choice is y. अच्छा, okay, okay, okay. So we have missed that thing. Choice equal to, sorry, y. Just closing this shell and restarting. So we'll get a better picture of that. So I'm just inserting sorted sequence. So elements to be searched. Let's see. Third. So value is not found. It is showing elements to be searched. Just saying to something is missing. Value not found. One. You can see it is taking just that first condition. यहाँ पे ये दिख रहा है. हेलो हेलो, आवाज आ रहा है क्लियरली? हेलो हेलो, आवाज आ रहा है? Can speak anyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no issue. So if I is minus one, okay, okay, comes to this watch. So some basic mistakes are there. It has to be input, binary search input. So elements, the value made. No problem here, absolutely. You just number of list and just typing one. It's still showing value of one. If I equal to item dot plus, so we'll just check line by line what happens actually. Binary search items value LB equal to 0, UB length items minus 1, LB UB int LB UB divided by UB equal to mid minus 1, LB equal to mid plus 1. Return minus 1 while में आएगा usually items list and norm input range appendix कोई गड़बड़ नहीं है. Binary search items int s. फॉर्मेटिंग में कुछ गड़बड़ है. Choice equal to y. Items int s. This one. Let's check whether it is combination proper है और not.
minor changes we need to do. Items. Okay, okay, got it.
Got the
Problem मिला सबको?
क्या था?
Hello, hello.
Yes.
हाँ. So this middle value was missing here.
So I'm just inserting 6 elements.
So 11, 22, 33, 24, 55, 66. Actually, just items to be searched. Just suppose I want to search 66. The value not found, it is showing 43. It's still taking that thing. Items mid equal to value. Value is written mid. An issue. So यहाँ पे गड़बड़ है. ये क्वेश्चन. Value should be wait mid int lb plus ub divided by 2. We should here items mid equal to value return mid value less than यहाँ भी जो problem है value found at particular position items equal to list. Return mid lb equal we should here while equal to binary search items we are searching where the value is int s. So if I is -1, value is not found, no issue. Else print value found at position. I'm just resaving this program. कभी कभी कुछ चेंज नहीं होने के बाद भी प्रॉब्लम देता है. This remaining in program 1C1. First of all, need to close this shell because it's showing again and again. This same 4 elements I want to insert. 12, 14, 15, 16. Suppose I want to search, I do not found it is showing. So it is not taking this statement if binary search is there. Okay. Unexpected indentation. Number of list 5. Still showing value not found. So binary search items comma s. Can you just track that mistake? Referring this manual. Don't see anything. हेलो. तो रेक्टिफाई कर सकता है
सर
हम्म,
वाइल में एलबी के बाद जो लेस देन का साइन है उसके बाद इक्वल्स टू नहीं दिया है आपने
कहाँ
शायद
पे बेटा?
वाइल में
वाइल में कौन से, ऊपर वाले कि नीचे
फोर्थ
वाले?
लाइन ऊपर।
ऊपर से,
हाँ,
फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ। वाइल में क्या बोल रही है?
इक्वल टू का साइन नहीं दिया है शायद आपने।
मिड इक्वल टू।
हाँ।
वेरी गुड। इधर है बेटा,
हाँ, ऊपर। हाँ,
ये दिया है ना, मिड इक्वल टू एम, दिया तो।
ऊपर वाइल एल बी लेस देन और इक्वल टू आएगा ना उधर।
ओके 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 ओके, वेरी गुड, नाइस ऑब्जर्वेशन। चलो, हो सकता है। लेट्स ट्राई दिस आउट। पहले ये बंद करो, बहुत सारा इसमें पहले का दिखता है मेरे दिमाग में। सो आई एम जस्ट इंसर्टिंग। तुम लोग एलिमेंट बोलो, जस्ट यू से, यू ट्राई दैट आउट। बोलो तुम लोग एलिमेंट बोलो, सॉर्टेड बोलना। चलो एक एक एलिमेंट बोलो फटाफट। लेट्स से 45, 56, 65, 88, 101। So I want to search 88. Okay, very good, nice observation, thank you. कौन बोल रहा था बेटा? हेलो।
साइलिया बंगा।
Okay, so you can just see it work fine. You can just note that thing. Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I got a call. Is it okay? Can we move towards the next practical, or is it enough for the day? Actually, we are on a first practical itself. Nothing much. So next is bubble sorting. So this much part is very easy. So we'll try to cover this bubble sorting. It also works on your sorted sequences. That is your bubble sorting animation. We'll just go through that. Simply type this program. So what we have to define is def, sorry, bubble sort. So this hash will allow you to comment. Okay. So क्या करते हैं, चलो तुम लोग बोलो, just you speak up. What we have to do is we have to create a function using keyword def. So bubble sort. Okay. So क्या sort करना है हम लोग को, और we have to sort a list. क्या list करना है? What we have to sort is a list. So for I in range, sorry, I in range length, we have to specify length of a list. In this case, we are having a list -1, 0, and -1. Okay, -1, comma 0, comma -1. Okay, so we require two tools for, sorry, for j in range into bracket I, just pass that value temp. We require a third variable for storing that value temp equal to alias into of j. J plus 1 will be there for sorting things. A list j plus 1 equal to temp So spelling mistake, try to avoid that. Okay. A list we are just defining as a empty list. empty array हम लोग define कर रहे हैं. So input, sorry, int input it will be, sorry, enter the number of elements, sorry, again spelling mistake, number of elements. अभी मेरे को थोड़ा जल्दी है, हम लोग तो आराम से कर सकते हैं उसको बैठ के. You can just figure it out, sort that things. Sorry. Make sure you close and open the things at the same time and in same proportion. ये नहीं हो कि मैंने ब्रैकेट ज्यादा खोले हैं और बंद कम किए तो कभी कभी वो चिल्लाता. इंडेंटेशन इज द बेसिक एरर in your Python programming. Enter the elements and just prompting user to enter few elements. So what we have to do is we have to append a list dot append into bracket x will be added equal to n minus 1. So bubble sort into bracket a list, again spelling mistake, no issue. प्रोग्राम में एरर नहीं आएंगे तो मज़ा भी नहीं आएगा. Your program requires lots of errors, but वो sort out करने के लिए हम लोग के पास patience होने चाहिए. So I'll just rename it as program 1D. Okay, done. Just try to say that number of elements. Suppose 5 elements I want to insert: 45, 23, 46, 89, and 65. So is it sorting properly? Hello. Hello. Sorting is proper according to bubble sort. Hello. Something is missing. Actually, it's proper. What do you say? Bubble sort 1D. A plus J. You can see 45, 23. Forty-six is your middle value, no issue. और ये बाकी के वैल्यूज ये तुम लोग सॉर्ट करके दे सकते हो और ये छोटे वैल्यूज के ये साइड पे रख दिए. समझ रहे हो? ये लो. So bubble sorting algorithm in Python. using list.
कुछ अलग देते तो देखते,
कोई इशू नहीं,
लेकिन इनके कोड ब्लाइंडली मत उठाना, because they contains lots of bugs.
fourth iteration and other stuff. Sequence no issue.
They are manually passing the list that
I hate most. खुद से get is list based. Hmm.
you can find n number of programs given here and there. So without using temp variable, you can also just pass that thing. So let's try this program as it is. See what it does. Just saving that as bubble.
Okay. Save it as
Bubble.
oh, that is not given. No, it is given. Python.
So I'll save the as यहाँ पे तुम लोग bubble सेव किया. Just try to run that sorted list and unsorted list. They are just defining that things. The list equal to list 1 equal to, let's say I want to accept a list from user. Input it will be क्या ले रहे हैं normally हम लोग, it will take a list from user. Enter number of enter elements. To print the unsorted list, list 1. Just check this. Enter element it is given here. So इनके हिसाब से क्या दुख है इनका, डबल सॉर्ट प्रिंट लिस्ट. Okay, this 1 minus 1. What we have done is we have taken this third three things unnecessary. Let's try to figure that out. Enter number of elements 5. Enter the element 45, 65, 43, 78, 98. You can just see
Again, some mistake is there. Middle value remains at the middle. नहीं सेटिंग बराबर है. फर्स्ट लिस्ट देखे जे लिस्ट -1 range temp equal to a list j. Let me put list try to just incorporate that thing. एक बार चेक करके देखते हैं. Let's see whether it is working or not. Enter the number of elements 4, 35, 65, 89, 77. List 1 is not different. Okay, no issue. List 1 किधर है? List 1 a list, it has to be a list. A list, a list. Then again here we have to define that as a list, a list. Let's see what we can do. It is not working like this. यहाँ पे गड़बड़ है. Length are given properly. No issue with that. 0 1 एक प्रॉब्लम में हो सकता है. ये यहाँ पे. Let's try to figure that out. If it is not going well, we can try that in next practical itself. No issue. Now it is perfectly working. You can see. Okay. Hello. 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 Are you there? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Now it
Yes,
is perfectly working. Just minor changes. Just note these changes. 1D. Okay. Just note the changes. So in general, you will write this better program. So don't worry, I'll provide these programs to you. Done. So that's it from my side for today. I'm just stopping this record.